Shoppers, be warned, people are putting hair removal cream inside shampoo bottles. So you might want to be careful about where you get your shampoo from. Unless you're down to try the bald thing for a while. What is gravy? You are watching Inform Overload. We do the news and rip cringe potato jokes. You can never have enough cringe potato jokes. By the way, I'm Charlotte, queen of potatoes, mother of spuds, writer of words, and maker of funnies. And girl, if I find out you're putting Nair in my shampoo bottles, my scream will open the gates of hell and my demons will be unleashed. Ain't nobody messing with my mane. Shout out to Faith Kempsula, who reached out to Inform Overload on Facebook to let us know about this story. Just a reminder that if you find any cool stories that you think would be great for IO, send us a DM on Instagram or on Facebook and Twitter, and if we like your story, you might just see it on our channel, and we'll credit you and we'll shout you out, eh? There you go. All the people complaining about not getting a shout out. That's how you get a shout out. So let's get into the story, because I know that's kind of a thing lately for people to be messing with products and like food in grocery stores, but what I'm about to tell you is next level. A concerned mother took to Facebook to warn everyone to check shampoo bottles for tampering when purchasing them from Walmart. And that is because her daughter discovered her conditioner bottle had Nair hair removal inside the bottle. Fellas, if you don't know what Nair is, it's this cream or like foam that you put on your hairy legs that allows you to wipe away unwanted hair without a razor. I've personally never been a fan of this stuff. It smells really bad. Basically, Nair breaks the disulfide bonds of the keratin moles in hair. So you put the cream on, you let it sit, and then you're supposed to just be able to wipe away unwanted hair. Definitely not the kind of thing that you want inside of your shampoo or conditioner. So Taffy Jo Timms says that her daughter Ashley bought Pantene Pro V shampoo and conditioner at Walmart in New Richmond, Wisconsin. When Ashley used the conditioner in the shower, she was horrified to see heavy chunks of hair fall down onto the floor of the shower. Someone had put hair removal cream inside her newly purchased conditioner bottle. This is what her shower looked like. Damn dude, that is one hairy shower, and hairy and shower are two words you should never pair together. All jokes aside, this really isn't that funny. Actually, it's not funny at all. Ashley tried everything to try and fix the damage. She went to hairdressers, she had a consultation for hair extensions, but she ended up shaving her head off because her hair would not stop falling out. When Taffy Jo Timms opened the bottle of conditioner, the product inside was an ugly pink color, instead of the white color Pantene Pro V normally is. The family ended up calling the police, who now plan to review CCTV camera footage from the Walmart they bought the conditioner at. Honestly, this is really upsetting. Who would do this? Somebody literally went into Walmart, tampered with shampoo and conditioners by putting hair removal cream inside the bottles, and thought it would be funny or something for some unsuspecting victim to lose all their hair. This could have been much, much worse. There's a reason why I never buy Nair. That stuff is really harsh on your skin, it smells really bad, it's full of chemicals. What if the Nair got into Ashley's mouth or eyes? She could have been blinded, she could have gotten really sick. I hope the police figure out who did this, and I hope it's an isolated incident. If it isn't, make sure that you check your bottles before buying anything to see if they've been tampered with. Nair has a very distinct chemically smell, so you should be able to tell if it happens to be inside a shampoo or conditioner bottle you want to buy. What would you do if someone put hair removal cream in your shampoo bottles? Let me know in the comments. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comments from my video. Thousands are buying alien abduction insurance for Area 51 raid. Teal Fox said, but if you get abducted by aliens, they usually bring you back, so do they? I don't think that happens. I think they take you with them. How would you know? Just hold on, how would you know? Planet Roblox said, hello Potato Queen, I've been a fan of IO for years, and I will be really officiated if you give me a shout out for my channel. Your Potato Queen has decided to grant your request. You are very welcome, and thanks for being such a loyal potato. Lels Guy said, that moment when you make a comment and hope it's on IO and it isn't. Yeah, you and most of our subscribers. You guys should just keep in mind that we get thousands of comments a day, and we only feature between 9 to 12 comments a day, so yeah, the odds aren't very good, and I wish I could feature all of you, but then it wouldn't make a comment feature as special as it is. So there you go. You're welcome. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, check out this playlist right over here. Yeah, and obviously leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in a future IO video.